Okay, so what have we learned? We have found that even a small change that we make has a significant impact on the result we get. In the first case, we used a somewhat outdated but still quite powerful model from the market leader. One of the reasons why the answers were not particularly good was that the model did not have access to up-to-date information. This means that the model did not have a good context and lacked information that would have been helpful in improving the responses. Context can be the information that the model has received during its training process, but also information that we obtain from the internet or from databases, for example, and make available to the model in an appropriate way. A second thing that has been noticed is that the type of response differs depending on the model used. For example, you can get formatted responses or unstructured feedback. With the appropriate tools, it is possible to improve this type of feedback later. We will see this in the further videos of the course. Basically, it can be said that there is no single defined form of AI, but that different solutions can and should be used depending on the task and the desired end result. You can think of it a bit like a toolbox. Of course, we can also use a hammer to hammer a screw into the wall, but normally we use a hammer for nails and a screwdriver for screws. Just because you can do many different things with one solution does not necessarily mean that the chosen model is the right choice for each of these tasks. To improve this, you need to be able to compare different results. This is usually much easier to do with a framework. This can be thought of as a standardized method for how the individual components communicate with each other. Each of these components can be exchanged and replaced by another component that can perform the same function, similar to an experimental kit.